Welcome. In today's quick guide, I'm going to show you how to add an audio player to your Google Sites in just a few simple steps. Whether you're sharing music, podcasts, or voice notes, this method will have your audio ready to play directly on your site. First, you'll need to upload your audio file to Google Drive. Once it's uploaded, make sure to set the sharing permissions to anyone with the link so your visitors can access it without any issues. Next, open your audio file in Google Drive, click on the three-dot menu, and select Embed Item. This will give you an embed code for your audio player. Copy that code. Now, head over to your Google Sites editor. Choose the Embed option and paste your embed code into the block. Once inserted, you can adjust the size of the player to fit your page perfectly. And that's it! Your audio player is now live and ready for your visitors to enjoy. It's simple, clean, and a great way to enhance your site's content. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to try it out and see how easy it is to make your Google site more interactive with audio.